Hello mga kamathalino, Miss Rezel here. Bagong araw, bagong aral po tayo for today's video. This time, we're going to learn basic algebra, particularly how to find the value of x. But before that, challenge muna tayo. Here's the deal. If you get the correct answer within 30 seconds, congrats, you're a pro. If you solve it in more than 30 seconds but under a minute, you're advanced. If it takes you more than a minute, don't worry, you're still at the average level, and learning is what matters. Are you ready? Let's G! One day, my friend and I were walking, and suddenly, I saw a 5 peso coin. We decided to split it up, but the one who first saw it would get 50 cents more. If you were my friend, how much should you get? I repeat, one day, my friend and I were walking, and suddenly, I saw a 5 peso coin. We decided to split it up, but the one who first saw it would get 50 cents more. If you were my friend, how much should you get? Your time starts now. Okay, 30 seconds done. Okay, 60 seconds up, no? So, I hope you were able to get it within 30 seconds or more than 30 seconds but less than 60 seconds. But if not, let's solve it together. Okay? So, let's have the solution. We let x as the amount that you should get. Kasi that's the unknown. Okay? And then of course, since I will get 50 cents more, kasi ako yung unang nakakita, then ang makukuha ko therefore is x plus 0.5. That's the amount that I would get. Okay? So, given that, let's now form our equation. Okay? So, i-combine natin yung makukuha mo, and that is x, plus yung makukuha ko, which is x plus 0.5, and let's equate it with 5. Kasi yun yung paghahatian natin or pag-sharean natin. Okay? So, this is now our equation. But in this case, the first thing that we are going to do is to combine all terms involving x, and that is x plus x, okay? And then we have here 0.5, yung naiwan, and then still equal to 5, okay? And then get the sum of x plus x, that will give us 2x plus 0.5 is equal to 5. So we have now the equation na 2x plus 0.5 equals 5. So, ang x po natin is our variable, okay? And then our 2 is the coefficient. This is the variable. And then 2 here is the coefficient. And then we have 5 and 0.5 as our constants. Okay? And then we have two expressions of the equation. We have the left side and then we have the right side. The left side includes 2x plus 0.5. Okay? And then the right side is 5. Okay? So, to solve for x, the first na gagawin natin is to remove the term or the constant term on the side where your variable x is located. So, ang gagawin po natin dito is to subtract 0.5 on both sides of the equation para mawala si 0.5 at ang maiiwan lang is the term involving x. Okay, so that is 5 minus 0.5. So ang magiging resulta po here is 2x kasi magka-cancel out to, and on the right side we have 4.5. But 2x is not what we are looking for. Ang hinahanap po natin is simply the value of x. So, kailangan po natin i-divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, and that is 2. Okay? So, dividing both sides by 2, magka-cancel out po yung coefficient ng x at ang matitira na lang ngayon is x on the left side and then on the other side is 2.25. So, this is now the amount that you should get. Okay? Ako, how much naman? Since ang makukuha ko is 50 cents more nang makukuha mo. So, balikan natin yung makukuha ko which is x plus 0.5, and since x is equal to 2.25, just substitute it and then add 0.5. The amount now that I would get is 2.75. So, ikaw, ang makukuha mo is 2.25 while ako, makukuha ko is 2.75. So, if you get the sum of that, yung makukuha mo at saka yung makukuha ko, that is now equal to the 5 peso coin na nakita natin. Okay? So, that's it, no? I hope you are a pro, guys, or you are in advance. But if not, okay lang. Join me with this journey and then who knows, someday, magiging pro ka din. Okay? So, to learn more about basic algebra or simply finding the value of x, I have another example here. So, meron tayo dito, x plus 9 equals 2. So, ang una po nating gagawin dito is to remove the term on the left side of the equation na hindi kasama, or I mean the constant term, okay? Remove the constant term on the left side of the equation para ang maiwan lang is the term involving x. So, we have here x plus 9. To remove it, we subtract 9 on both sides of the equation. Para this one will be cancelled out and ang maiiwan po is x on the left side and on the right side is negative 7. Kasi 2 minus 9 is negative 7. Okay? And then another one din is we have here 2x equals 10. So wala po tayong constant term on the left side of the equation, but we have a coefficient na greater than 1. No, dun sa x natin. That's why what we are going to do here is to divide both sides by 2. Parang maiiwan on the left side is simply x kasi magka-cancel out yung 2, and the result now on the right side is simply 5. So the value of x in this equation is 5. Okay? And the last one would be 2x plus 5 equals 11. So, ang una pong gagawin, guys, is to always remove the constant term dun sa expression na merong x. Okay? So, dito we have on the left side, no, of the equation. Kaya naman, 2x plus 5, okay, minus 5 para ma-remove yung 5 on the left side of the equation kasama ni term involving x. And then on the right side, again, magsasubtract din tayo ng 5 para balance lang, no? So, what you did on the left side, ganun din dapat yung gagawin mo on the right side. Okay? And then, magka-cancel out ito. So, may iwan na lang ngayon is 2x equals 6. Okay? And then, since what we are looking for is simply the value of x, kailangan nating i-divide both sides by the coefficient of x para this one will cancel out. At ang maiiwan na lang dito is x. And then on the right side, we have 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So that's now the value of x. Okay. So good job, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo today, kahit konti lang kasi every little progress counts. If you enjoyed learning with me, don't forget to like, share, and most of all, subscribe para tuloy-tuloy lang ang easy-peasy math learning natin. Mas marami pa tayong madadali at maintindihan lessons sa next videos. Kaya let's G pa rin sa mga susunod na aral. This is Miss Rezel reminding you that math is fun and kayang-kaya mo yan. Babush!